Out of the open pit, asbestos-bearing ore, crushed and dried, comes by way of conveyors to the dry rock storage shed, where it is housed in great quantities until needed at the mill. 12 stories tall, this is the world's largest asbestos mill, equipped with the most modern refining machinery. Remarkably dust-free, performing every operation of an asbestos mill on a grand scale with extreme precision. Into its air-conditioned immensity, the asbestos fiber comes to be stripped from the mother rock in a series of operations basically typical of those at many asbestos mills. The rock processed and reprocessed to yield the precious mineral asbestos. On a series of vibrating screens, waste particles of rock are shaken from the fiber. Then, sucked up into giant aspirators, it is further husked of its impurities. In this carefully calculated process, the fiber is refined again and again. Finally, to be tested and graded according to its length under quality control standards which demand the best. From crude ore to refined fiber through the magic of man's ceaseless ingenuity. Now, packed and ready for shipment to hundreds of different points around the globe.